Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm back with another video trying to dodge the sun out here. Not gonna complain about the sun because we just had the most annoying snowstorm, and I call it annoying because it's that type of snow where it's all packed together, and if it's not shoveled up it will freeze and you're just driving on bare ice. You guys know I hate sitting in a parking space. Like, if you guys know, I try my best to avoid parking beside the carts and parking beside cars that have a whole bunch of scratches on it, because to me it just shows me that you are bumping into things. I've had so much things happen to my car in the parking lot. It's just so annoying. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna be doing a cleaning product shopping today. I need cleaning products. It's been a long minute. I have to get like laundry detergent, dishwash soap, floor cleaner, everything cleaner. I'm even hoping to get a mop, but I'm in a budget right now. I'm on a budget right now. In a budget, girl. I want to spend under $100. I gotta spend under $100. I got so many things to take care of right now that it's not going over $100, and I need to get that mop. But yes, if you haven't already though, and you guys made it this far in the video, because it's only been like probably a couple seconds, are you subscribed? Like, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, guys. If you love cleaning product shopping, if you like hygiene shopping, if you like to shop on a budget, because I'm a shop on a budget. I don't care. You're not tricking me out here. I already looked at my flyer and I seen a couple things that they have on sale. They even have spaghetti sauce on sale. I used to buy spaghetti sauce for 99 cents all the time. Then I would start seeing it being $1.25. So I'm like, okay, you know, everything went up. I remember seeing it the other day for $2.97. okay, so I was like, the next time it goes on sale, I'm gonna buy a few. If it's in the budget, I'm gonna buy some. But even if I don't buy it today, I'm gonna make sure I buy it this week, because it's 97 cents, like 97 cents at Walmart. So you already know. But yeah, let me get inside this Walmart right now, and yeah, we're gonna do some cleaning product shopping. I'm so glad that there's some sunshine today. You know, I was supposed to be doing this video tomorrow, but then I looked at the weather and it says it's supposed to snow tomorrow, and I'm like, I'm not coming out here in the snow if it's snowing. So let me just do this today. And I feel so good that I came today. I would have been so annoying tomorrow. I would have been so annoyed. Like, no one's trying to come out here and it's snowing. Because if you're from Canada, you know, like, we like it here, but the snow is like hibernation season. No one's trying to hibernate. Like, I can't wait for summer. I can't wait to go by Lake Shore. I can't wait to go and just walk downtown, up and down the boulevard. Like, I just can't wait. I can't wait. So I'm excited, and yeah, let's get inside. Okay guys, so we are in the cleaning aisle. What? 2 for $11? Okay, but these are the big ones. I was about to say, like, that's still a lot. Okay, these are 2 for $10. We've gone down $1. But then they also have the packs on here for $3.97. So if you're on a strict budget but you still need these, you can buy this size. You get 35 wipes for $3.97, or you can buy 2 of these that have 75 wipes in there for $10. So you have to look at how much you're getting and if it makes sense to get that, because if you buy 1 each, it's $5.97. And I do need a lot of these because I have to clean my car as well. My car is a disaster. Oh, then they also have the great value here. You're getting 75 in here and it's $3.77. Okay guys, so you see how I showed you these for $3.97 for the Lysol brand? And they have the Great Value brand, which is the brand in Walmart here in Canada. I don't know if it's the same everywhere else. It should be. These are $2.97. So it depends on which cleaning products I'm gonna buy. I'll see if I want like the Lysol one or the Great Value one. Okay, so we also have some all-purpose cleaners. I love me an all-purpose cleaner, especially Lysol brand. Then we also got some lemon all-purpose cleaner, which is a Great Value kind, and these are $2.97. So that's what I like you have your options where you want to stay in your budget, and then we got options where you may just want the more expensive brand. We have, oh, this one, Bleach cleanup. I don't know how much this one is. I might have to check the scanner. Okay, this is it. So these are $4.27. So that's not bad. These are the mops I said I wanted to get. I had this one first. I really like this one because this is the great value one, and this part on the mop, the white part, it's like more lightweight than this one. The price difference is the great value one is $34.97, and then the name brand one is $41.97. So it's not a full $10 difference, but I mean, they both have their flaws. Both of them, the bottom part will come off, like depending on how rough you are, but the chances are this one will come off more often than this one. I just had a better experience with this one. So I think this is the cleaner that you could use. Oh wait, this is open. Oh, it's an extra mop piece. So that's what I like about these, is that you can buy the extra pieces to it. Like if something happens to the mop, then you can buy the extra mop piece. It's a little different. Like you see, this is like a blue one, but at least you can buy the extra pieces for it. I think they also sell the stick part separate. Like there's a whole bunch of brooms here, a whole bunch of mops, a whole bunch of brooms. I think oh, the brooms are down there. But yeah, you can buy the pieces separately in case of anything. You don't have to buy like the whole box over again. I was trying to get this to stand by itself. Bleach, bleach, bleach. $3.28. I don't know. $7.47 for bleach. Already. I guess it depends on what brand you buy. I'm spending almost $8 on bleach. No, I don't use that much bleach. Maybe that's why. But they have this small bottle here for $2.47. So if you're not a big bleach user like me, you can get away with this. Then they have the bigger one for $3.28, which it looks like you're getting more for your dollar. I mean, for less than $1, you're getting way more. So it might just be it. Okay, so now I need to find where the laundry soap is, because I need that. You know, your laundry just piles up like there's no tomorrow. That's what's happening right now. Like I got loads of laundry, but I just been so busy. But it's no excuse. But as soon as I get home, your girl will be cleaning. Okay guys, so we got some big bottles here of Pine Sol. If it's one thing, I know no matter how many cleaning products I buy, I always come back to the faithful Pine Sol. They have lavender here. They also have the spring blossom scent, a mandarin scent, so you have a few to choose from. A big part of cleaning is when you are finished cleaning, to always have something that will help the place smell fresh or continue to smell fresh. The cleaning products that you use will help the area smell fresh. But if you were to plug in stuff like these into your home, so like they have the Glade scents here, it just helps the place smell so fresh. I always look out for these when they're on sale, so that's why I always tell you guys to look in your local flyers and to see what is on sale. This one you're getting 2 for $11, so you can get the plug-in piece plus the scent for $11 for 2 packs of these, and honestly they do last a long time. Then they also have these air sprays that you could use, but I honestly rather the plug-ins, because I just feel like the spray, even if you spray it you know, will fade away after a while. And I also like using these small spaces, so these are good for in the bathroom or in your room, or you just place it anywhere on a counter and it will help the place smell fresh. I use these all the time, especially in the bathroom. I love small space. And they also have these bigger packs here for $15.27. So if you already have the plug-in piece, you can get a whole big pack of this for $15.97. I have a few scent stuff at home already, so I won't be buying this today, but probably on my next trip I'll have to buy a couple of them. I got a sample of Bounce the other day. When I told you I forgot how good this stuff smells. There are also other ones that work very nice. I love Bounce. Or like dryer sheets. I love dryer sheets. It just finishes off the process of washing. So let me move my cart because I have this behind me. Like I trust like that. Anyhow, there's also the Gain, which is cheaper. You know, your girl's on a budget. Even though I love that stuff, I gotta think about it. Oh, but we got the smaller pack for $7.97. Now, I know I always say, like, you know, shop on a budget, which you should. But if there's things that you know are actually really worth it and do make a big difference, then yeah, spend a little bit more. You don't want to be spending more on stuff where it's like it's the same if you buy it cheaper anyways. Like this, these are $3.97. I would typically buy these ones, but because I really love this scent and I see the difference that it makes, I'm either gonna buy the one for $9.97 or the one for $7.97, depending on how it fits into my budget. This has 200 sheets and the smaller one has 120 sheets. So you just see the calculations and see, you know what, should I spend $2 more and buy the bigger pack, or should I just save and buy the smaller pack? I'm missing 80 from it, so you just gotta see what makes sense to you. There's also other cheaper ones here for $4.77, but like I said, this stuff was just smelling so good. Okay guys, so I also need laundry detergent. This stuff was on sale the other day. That's why this is so annoying right now. Let me see which one they have on sale. Let me start from down here just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, so this part I'm gonna stick to a budget because things are adding up right now. I can get this one right here for $6.97. I've used this brand before, so I know it's alright. Okay, I see some Tide here for $11.47. It's not bad. You're getting a big bottle like this, and this is an all-in-one. You can also get this one. It's a different color. So what's going on? Oh, it's a different scent. Okay, so this one is the Daybreak Fresh scent, and then we got Refreshing Breeze. They also have Sunlite here, and you can buy 2 bottles of this for $10. So I'm gonna look at the loads and I'm gonna look at how much is in there. So this one says 45 loads, right? And then it says 1.84 liters. So if I get 2 of these for 10, that means that it says 90 loads. But at the same time, I don't expect to do 90 loads because I be making big loads sometimes. But I just know that it's gonna do a lot more. If I double it, I'm gonna get over 3 L's. Okay, this one now, it has over 3 L's as well, 3.4, but this is an all-in-one. This is gonna cost me $1 something more. So technically it's about the same thing. It says 74 loads, which, you know, I'm looking at the liters at the end of the day. So I got something to think about. We also got the Purex 2 for $10. So yeah, that's another option. It says 50 loads. It says 2.03 liters. So there's a bit more in this bottle. So always check to see if it's actually worth it to buy 2 singles or 1 big, especially if you're on a budget. They also have Gain down here. I love Gain, I really do. Sometimes it be pricey, you know, like while go on Gain, like I love to price them a little bit. So we got these I like to add, even if I add the liquid detergent in there, I like to pop one of these just to get it extra wash. I don't know if it's just my mind, but I'm not really a big fan of these. They're handy, I could just toss them in. We got this size here for $12.97. I'm not gonna do that. Why would I do that if I can get 2 of the Purex or the Tide for less money? Then we also got the big one down here for $13.77. This one, you have 4.55 L's. So it does seem like it would be a great buy. So we're gonna see if we can fit this into the budget, guys. Okay, so for this one, it says it's $13.97 in this scent, but this one they don't have the sale price on it. But I'm gonna double check and find one of those scanners to see if they, oh, but this is a 2-in-1, so it's probably not on sale like the other one. But that says mega pack. I'm just gonna scan it anyways and we'll see. So we got it in the cleaning aisle. That's great. Let's see. Oh, this one's $13.97 too. Okay, I guess it's the Moonlight Breeze after all. Okay guys, so I also need dishwashing detergent. Right now I'm using this one. I don't really like it too much. It's very slippery. It still works good as a soap to use for your dishes, but my preference usually is the OxiClean one. Because I wash dishes so much, I noticed that this stuff just works best. There's also Sunlite. Sunlite's alright, you know, but this one's also on sale right now, so it's a plus. They also got these brands here for $2.17, and this is the lemon scented ones. Okay guys, so I'm done my shopping. That mop took up a big portion of my budget, so I got a few things. I just got the basics that I need to do like a very good cleaning. When I get home, I'll show you guys everything that I end up purchasing. It's not a lot of things, but it's gonna do the job. So yeah, I will see you guys soon. I'm just heading to the checkout right now. So this is everything that I ended up purchasing at Walmart. I was able to stick under my budget of $100. I spent around $78, which is pretty good on my end. I know that things have gone up in price, but I try to discipline myself so that I'm not overspending when I go to the store. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.